Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can add files to your storage on WeTransfer to share these items, for example, with your friends and contacts via a shareable link or via email. It is very simple, guys, so let us guide you through this. Head over to WeTransfer.com, for example, if you access it on your desktop computer or laptop. Log into your account here in the top right corner. And once you're inside your account, guys, you will see that window popping up here on the left hand side. So here you may, for example, request files or share items with your friends and contacts. To do that, guys, you will need to add them to your storage here on WeTransfer. First, to do that, click on Add Files here. After that, locate the given file on your device. So let me go with that one here for demonstration purposes. Wait for the upload process to be finished. That may or may not take a moment, depending, of course, on the given file size. So this one here is a video in MP4 format. You may also click on that X icon here to delete the upload and to upload another file or item. So what you want to do after that, guys, is either click on Add More to add more of these items to your shareable list, or simply enter the recipient's email address here so that the given contact may receive an invitation to download the given item via email or in an email notification or via a shareable link. Let me show you how to do that just in a moment. Scroll down, give the item a title if you like. Set an expiration date of the link, like for example 1 day or 3 days. And after that, click on Transfer here to start the upload and transferring process. And after a brief moment, you will be redirected to that window here to the right. So as previously mentioned, guys, you may use a shareable link, for example, and share it with your friends and contacts via direct messaging services, for example, to invite the given contact to have access to the shared item here via that shareable link. And that's basically it. The given user will then be given the opportunity to download the given item on their device. And that's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.